Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day. Today I decided to go ahead and get myself my Apple Watch SE. Now, I've been waiting a long time to get myself an Apple Watch. I've been umming and ahhing on whether I actually need one, has it got any benefits, and over the last couple of years I've been seeing my friends, family members and colleagues all get digital smartwatches, and I thought, do you know what, let's see what it's all about. And then I went ahead and actually saw them using them while they were doing their day-to-day routine, and I thought, do you know what, I think I'm going to get some decent usage out of it, and especially when I'm doing my graphic design meetings and work meetings and answering the calls, I think it's going to be quite beneficial. So I decided to wait for Black Friday, and yes, today was the Black Friday Apple event. Now, Apple do this event every year where they give you a gift card over the 4 days of Black Friday from the 25th all the way to the 28th, and the store gift card is on certain items that they have in this 4-day promotion. And luckily for me, they had the Apple Watch SE only on this particular promotion. So if you get an Apple Watch SE, the new one, from their website or from their store, you will get a £50 Apple gift card with your purchase, and you can use that at any time in an Apple store, online, or anywhere to do with Apple. So I thought, do you know what, that's absolutely ideal, because instead of saving £10 at other stores such as John Lewis or Asda or any other type of main retailer where they just knock down £10, it's better to maybe make a saving of £50 and then getting a new strap later on. So that was my thinking behind it, so that's what I decided to do. So today I went ahead and decided to just go and purchase it. However, online, the issue was that there was a 2-week waiting list on it, and I just really wanted to get my hands on it today and show you this promotion so that you can make your decision if, like me, you've been waiting a long time. So what I did was I just went ahead and went straight to Trafford Centre. I selected the model that I liked, and what I had done previously over the last couple of weeks was that I went to the Apple store and I checked out the various bands, sizes and colours, tried every single one of them out, got them to measure my wrist, and I just gave myself a good feel of it before I went ahead and purchased. And then I just decided that I wanted to go with this model here, which was the Starlight casing, which is absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. I've got my iPad mini in Starlight and I absolutely love it. And then the band itself, I went for the standard normal band that comes with it, that has the normal kind of mechanism that goes on the back to just snap it in place, and I decided to go with the midnight colour for that, which looks absolutely brilliant. So when I went ahead and tried this on in the shop, I was initially going to go for the 40mm one. However, the 40mm one I kind of felt was a little bit too small for me, even though I've got small wrists. It just felt a little bit small in terms of the screen and kind of, playing around with the apps. So I decided to try on the 44mm, and for me that was absolutely perfect. And this is my first ever smartwatch, so it's all new to me. The charger that you get with it is with this round circly bit that attaches to the bottom of the actual watch, and that's all you get in the box. So you just get the watch itself, you get the strap that you've chosen, and you get that little connection wire, the USB-C connection charger wire. Unfortunately, you don't get the plug, but I'm sure I can just use my iPad USB-C plug to charge it up. Now, when I turned this whole thing on, it had about 70% battery, and the linking of it with my phone was really easy. It was quite seamless. I got it all up and ready to go in about 15 minutes. With the strap, they give you both the sizes, the small medium and the medium large. I liked to try on both of them, and I found that the small medium for my wrist size was perfect. It is a new thing, a new gadget, a new toy, so I'm still getting used to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a review video after maybe a couple of months to see whether it was actually worth getting this. Is it just a waste of money? Is it just something nice to have? Or does it really help me in my day-to-day job, in my graphic design work, in my art and illustration work, when I'm doing meetings, when I'm commuting and I'm meeting with colleagues and clients, whether it actually really makes a difference. So check out that video when it comes out in the future. And if you're like me, if you're thinking about getting your watch and if you're specifically after the SE like I was and I got mine, then do take advantage of this Black Friday event, because it only happens once a year where Apple actually give out these £50 vouchers. And for me, this is going to be brilliant because I can buy myself another strap. I'm actually looking at the leather strap, which I really like, but it costs £100, and that to me is just silly money. However, I've already got 50 quid towards it, so I guess I'm willing to probably pay 50 quid for it, which I guess is not reasonable. It's still expensive. You can get the cheap knockoff ones from Amazon for about 15 quid, but I will end up getting it because I've got that voucher now, and it just motivates me to kind of use my watch more and to try out all these little accessories with it. So if you're getting one of these, or if you've got one, let me know in the comments how you found it, and if you've gone and got yourself a nice gift card like I have, what do you plan to do with it? Let's start talking Apple Watch SE now. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Give the video a thumbs up. Click on that subscribe button. Let's stay in touch. Do check out my art and illustration classes if that's what you're interested in. I will be launching a new graphic design channel very soon, so keep an eye out for that. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your Black Friday shopping. Don't spend all your money. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself, and peace.